Management used to be so hard for me. It feels like every day was filled with drama. But then one day, I put a stop to it, and you're going to be able to as well. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader, and I do this with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. The problem is, and maybe you're like me, I feel the need to help people. And when I stopped helping them, I was able to help them. A lot of times, my heart bleeds for people. When you come to me with a problem, I feel the need to solve it. So as a new manager, people were coming to me with their problems daily. And I would use so much energy from myself trying to solve their problems, trying to solve the world's problems, or that's what it seemed like. I would have people coming to me and I would listen to them. And then my brain goes into fix-it mode saying, all you have to do is this. If you did this, have you tried that? Just giving them solution. And it was making me feel burnt out. It was making me lose so much of my energy. And it hurt more when I gave what I believe were absolutely great steps on fixing the issue, because I'm a fixer. But it would hurt me when I would see these same people the next day come into my office complaining or crying or whining about the same problem. But they hadn't done anything to implement what I said. I gave you the answers. I know it'll work. And this was killing me on the inside. And maybe you are in the same situation. Then I changed one thing. I stopped caring about other people's drama. And I'm not saying it in a rude way. I am here. I have a heart. I want people to do well. But I decided I don't care if you fix it or not. If you want to fix the problem, I'll help you. But I'm not giving you the answers. I'm not telling you what I would do. Instead, I let people have their own problems. I put on a shield. Like your stuff ain't coming to me. It just bounces off. I'm not taking on your problems. Instead, what I started to do is I started to ask questions. Instead of telling people what I thought they should do, I asked them what they thought they should do. What should you do about this situation? What's the worst you could see happening if nothing changed? Who in the office, who in your home circle, whatever it might be, who is it that you could turn to that can help you with this? Is there resources that you've looked for? A lot of your best ideas don't come from other people's answers. It comes from other people's questions. And this was my aha moment where I pivoted. Instead of telling people what I thought they should do, I started by asking more questions. And in that conversation, they ended up coming up with the answer that they wanted. When they come up with the answer, or when you come up with the answer, you are 100 times more likely to follow through because it's your answer. It's not a stranger's answer. And this is where I started pivoting. Instead of being somebody's answer, I started to be someone's coach. And that's where the membership comes into play. If you join the No Nonsense Leadership Academy, you become a member. You become one of my teammates. We work together. We question your questions. We help you come up with your own answer. And the best way I'm able to do that is to bring together like-minded individuals, people who may have already been through that situation, people who have the questions. But on top of that, I've brought in a hand-selected group of international leadership experts, people that I look up to, people that I go to with questions, and they give me questions to help me find the right answers. So I highly recommend that you sign up in the link below to get on the wait list. It's opening up shortly. Now let's talk about some stuff that no one told me when I became a leader. That's what you're going to find in this video. And don't be blindsided like I was. See you there. Ciao.